Welcome guys to this tutorial. In this video I will be talking about how you can change plain text file to Unix executable file on Macintosh. So it will be very short tutorial, but it's quite easy thing to do. So first of all you will have to go to the terminal. So I typed command and space and then type terminal, and this will pop up. Here you can type chmod plus x and then space and drag the file you want. So here I have this file, and as you can see the kind is text edit. If I dragged it here, I press enter, and you can see that the file now here it has changed to Unix executable instead of the text file that it was previously. So I hope that this tutorial is useful, and see you guys in my next video. Remember to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment if you have any questions or suggestions for the next video.